Today, we are visiting a two-bedroom apartment located in the centre of Roccaspinalveti, offering comfortable and affordable living with shops, cafes, and everyday amenities all within walking distance. One of the standout features of this property is the extensive work that has been already completed to the building. Renovations include a new roof, thermal insulation, high-quality windows and doors with matching shutters, a modern gas boiler, and a solar panel system, helping to improve energy efficiency and reduce running costs. The building comprises of just 4 apartments. The shared entrance leads into a stairwell, a few steps from the apartment front door. On entering the apartment, there is a hallway and a lobby with an access to a small private terrace. The kitchen and the living area offer potential for modernisation. There is a kitchen, but it's really small. Maybe it could be extended into the lounge, which is bigger. There is a boiler, which is a new boiler. Looks in excellent condition there, still with the tags on. So that's for the gas central heating system. The living room has patio doors and a balcony overlooking the garden. Here we can see the new modern shutters. There are 2 bedrooms in the apartment. Here is the double bedroom and the second bedroom. Down the hallway, we have a family bathroom. While the building has had significant external improvements, the interior would benefit from some updating, an opportunity to personalise the space. This is the cantina, which is slightly below ground, but a usable space for storage. This is the building on the other side, on the side of the road. It's a very quiet road leading to the piazza and around the town. And opposite, there's a really interesting shop that has reused shoes for plants. In the piazza, there's 2 bars, 2 cafe bars, and some restaurants, a store for clothes, and the Italian church bells. Here's another shop, traditional Abruzzo products.
Tipico salame del paese, e questo qua si chiama ventricina.
Ventricina. And we also have some local pasta and local wines. This is Roccaspinalveti from above and the surrounding countryside. What an amazing view. For further information or to arrange a viewing, please contact the agency. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next property tour.